In this lesson, we'll duplicate the text, change the word, change the tracking, and then transform the text smaller, and then use the paragraph panel to right align the text in the design. Next thing we can do is right-click on that layer and click on Duplicate Layer. Press OK. With the Move tool selected, we can move the text down. Double-click on it with the Move tool to select the text so you don't have to go over to the Type tool. And then write in capital letters, Article, and then click on the Move tool. Let's set the tracking to 0. Click on the number and write in 0 and press Return. Do Command T to transform and make the font smaller, like about this size. And let's put it on the right side over here. Press Return. I'm going to move the character palette over a little bit. Click on the Type tool and then click on the Paragraph panel. For the articles, I want to get the right aligned text. So let's click on that. When I do that, it moves the text. That's okay. Let's get the Move tool. Let's move it back over here to the right. And you'll notice that it kind of snaps to right here. And what it's doing is it's snapping to the edge of where the T is. Photoshop realizes what you're trying to do. This lesson will continue in the next video.